Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the CCCEI standing desk clamp power strip with 15 outlets, and before we get started, the product link is in the description below. This surge protector is designed for professionals, gamers, and families who want maximum power access, fast charging, and a clean desktop setup. The design is practical and space-saving, with a clamp mount that attaches securely to desktops up to 1.6 inches thick. By mounting to the edge of your desk, it keeps outlets within easy reach while reducing clutter on the floor. The strip features 15 widely spaced outlets, perfect for accommodating bulky adapters without blocking neighboring ports. The black finish blends seamlessly with modern office or gaming setups, while the sturdy construction ensures durability. Performance is reliable and versatile. The power strip includes fast-charging USB-A and USB-C ports, allowing you to charge phones, tablets, and accessories without needing extra adapters. The 6-foot flat plug cord provides flexibility in placement, while the surge protection safeguards your devices against unexpected power spikes. With 15 outlets, you can power multiple monitors, PCs, consoles, printers, and accessories all from one central hub. Durability and convenience are key strengths. The clamp mount keeps the strip stable, preventing it from sliding or tipping. The widely spaced design ensures compatibility with larger plugs, while the integrated USB ports reduce cable clutter. The flat plug design makes it easy to fit behind desks or furniture, and the overall build quality reflects CCCEI's focus on reliable office accessories. Use cases are broad. For professionals, it's a productivity booster that organizes power access for multiple devices. For gamers, it supports complex setups with consoles, PCs, and monitors. For students, it provides a neat solution for laptops, tablets, and study accessories. For families, it's versatile enough to handle shared workspaces and entertainment systems. In summary, the CCCEI standing desk clamp power strip combines a large number of outlets, fast charging ports, and a space-saving clamp design in one professional package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.